Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigy, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the final question of your circles assessment paper. So let's take a look at the question immediately. This one is a head banger. This is a, if you don't look at this and feel a little dizzy, then there's something wrong with you. Okay, so let's take a look at this. The diagram given is a floor plan. A floor plan basically means how the things look like on the floor, okay? From above. Okay, we have three circles arranged one inside the other. Okay, you can see there's 1, 2, and 3 circles, and 4 quadrants of equal radii. Radii means what? Radii means radiuses, or plural form of radius. So the question says, find the perimeter of the figure for part A, and for part B, the cost of carpeting the floor is 850 per meter squared. Find the cost of carpeting the shaded area. So again, like the previous question, this one looks difficult, but actually isn't, okay? To find the perimeter of the figure, you just have to understand that it's just this outside parts. So it's just the outside parts, not the ones within. So how do I do this? It's very simple, okay? So first off, it's actually the combination of this circumference of this big circle plus the circumference of these quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4, plus don't forget the 4 meters of the side here. The 4 meters, 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 okay? So how do we do this? It's very simple. First we find the circumference of the big circle, then we find the circumference of each quadrant, or if you're smarter, you also understand that 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, it gives you one complete circle. And in this complete circle, your radius is actually 4. Good job. If you thought of that, I'm going to give you a big high five saying you are a math prodigy. Awesome. And with that, it's very simple, okay? And don't forget to add the 4 meters. Okay, let's do this. So very simply, write down a simple formula. The perimeter of the figure, okay, the perimeter is actually equals to circumference of big circle, okay, plus circumference of quadrants, of 4 quadrants. You should write it down. Plus what? Okay, take a look here. This is 4 cm, sorry, this is 4 meters over here. So how many 4 meters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, plus 4 times 8. Okay, very careful, be careful. Circumference of the big circle is actually equals to what? 2 pi r plus 2 pi r plus 4 times 8 is what? 32. So from here you can start doing 2 times your pi is what? Your pi is 3.14. 2 times 3.14 times the radius of the big circle. The radius of the big circle is, where is it? Here, 5 meters. So times 5 meters plus 2 times 3.14 times your radius of the quadrants. The radius of the quadrants is 4 meters also. It's 4 meters, sorry. Not also, it's 4 meters. Okay, plus 32. So let's do it in our calculator. First one is of course 10 times 3.14, which gives you 31.4. Next one is 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 3.14 gives you excuse me, equals 25.12, and you plus 32, and so the answer would be 88.52 meters. Okay, 88.52 meters. If you got that right, I'm gonna give you a big high five right now. You are a math prodigy. Awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at the second part. The second part is a bit more tougher. It asks you for the cost of carpeting this shaded area. So first off, you have to find out the shaded areas. Okay, it's not as simple as saying, oh, it's the big circle minus the what's it called? This smaller unshaded circle, because it's also another one within it. Okay, so it's actually, you can take a look at it in two different ways. Okay, first way is to say, oh, is this whole big circle minus this ring. Okay, and this ring equals to the area of this white color or unshaded circle minus the area of the smaller inner circle with 1 meter as a radius. That's the first way of looking at it. The second way of looking at it is saying, oh, it simply equals to area of the bigger circle, okay, minus the area of the smaller unshaded circle plus the area of the smaller 1 meter radius circle. Okay, so which one is simpler? Both are actually the same. Let's choose one to do. I'm gonna do it with let's see which one is better for me. I'm gonna take the bigger circle. I'm gonna minus the circle which is the which is the white one, and then we're gonna plus the 1 meter. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna erase all of this. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna write it as area of big circle or big shaded circle. It's going to be short form here, equals to pi r squared, am I right? Which equals to 3.14 times, in this case the big one is what? 1 from the center all the way to the end, which is 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters. So 5 squared, which is 25. I'm going to use my calculator over here. 3.14 times 25 is going to give you the answer of 78.5 meters squared. And then we have to take out the area of the unshaded circle, equals to pi r squared. In this case, let's take a look at the at what's the radius over there. Okay, times, okay, unshaded is from here. Okay, we're going to make this the center and all the way out to the end of the white one. So is it 2? You might get tricked there. Okay, so the answer is not 2. The radius is not 2. The radius is 2 plus another 1 inside. So it's actually 3. So therefore, 3.14 times 3 squared. It's actually 9. 3.14 times 9 is going to give you the answer of 28.26 meters squared. And then we have to find the area of the small shaded circle. In this case, very easy because we know that this radius is actually 1, which is equals to 3.14 times 1 squared is still 1. Therefore, the answer is 3.14 meters squared. So to find the area of the shaded region, remember all we have to do is just oh, my handwriting is really bad here. Okay, is take this big one, 78.5, minus the small one, which is 28.26, plus 3. Oops, I'm gonna make sure I use this one. And it's 3.14 plus 3.14 equals to 78.5 minus 28.26 plus 3.14. That's going to give you 53.38. So now the bulk of the work, the difficult part, is already done. All you have to do is find the cost, and the cost actually equals to 850 per meter. Therefore, just multiply it by 53.38, and then you're going to get the answer of 453.73. If you got that answer right, I'm very proud of you. I'm going to give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Awesome. Okay, so remember, all these things, all these results that you're going to get in the future is going to take time, and time means you have to practice a lot more. Okay, so I'm going to leave you this week with a quote which says, good things take time. If you remember, Bruno Mars says, easy come, easy go, which means if things come easy to you, it's going to go off easily too. But if you take time and you do it, it takes a lot of time to do it, it comes a bit difficult. It's going to go off a bit difficult as well. So good things take time, and with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you can do it. You can make sure that you can believe in yourself, have that good results. You just have to take a little bit more time. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Awesome.